Bird feeding and watching is fun for all ages. The Neat Ideas Bird Feeder Kit turns any recycled plastic bottle into your very own bird feeder and encourages wild birds into your garden. Simply remove the hanger from the feeder. Now punch 2 holes in the bottom of the bottle and insert the hanger. Screw the bird feeder onto your chosen bottle. Remove the plug and fill the bottle with seed. Replace the plug and the feeder is ready to use. Neat Ideas Bird Feeder Kit is also great for children. Why not personalise your bottles with a painted design? The birds will love it. Take one or more to the checkout now.